What is uric acid? Uric acid is a waste byproduct. It is formed when your body breaks down purines which are found in some foods. Purine compounds, whether produced in the body or from eating high purine foods, can raise uric acid levels. Purine shows up when cells die and get taken apart. Most of the uric acid leaves your body when you pee and some when you poop. They can also be formed in the body when DNA is broken down, when purines are broken down to uric acid in the blood. They are also found in many foods such as the liver, shellfish, and alcohol. Uric acid values. Normal uric acid levels. What is gouty arthritis? A form of arthritis characterized by severe pain, redness, and tenderness in joints. Pain and inflammation occurs when too much uric acid crystallizes and deposits in the joints. Symptoms of gouty arthritis. Here is the list of natural ways to reduce uric acid in our body by reducing purine-rich foods. 1. Alcoholic beverages. Alcohol is a source of purine. These compounds produce uric acid when broken down by the body. Alcohol increases the metabolism of nucleotides. These are additional source of purine that can be turned into uric acid. Researchers found that both beer and liquor substantially increase blood uric acid levels, with beer playing a more significant role. Beer intake seems to be associated with an increased risk of hyperuricemia in men. In one analysis, researchers discovered that a high intake of alcohol led to twice the risk of developing gout. 2. Meat. Meat, especially organ meat, should be avoided if possible as it is rich in purine. Gout patients should avoid bacon, turkey, goose, veal, venison, and organ meats such as the liver, kidney, or sweetbreads. Meat lovers should try to stick to a chicken and duck. In addition, leg meat is a preferred option over breast meat with skin. 3. Certain seafood. Cutting back on seafood during a gout flare up can be helpful. Even during remission, certain seafood intake should be limited. Researcher has suggested that patients with a gout should avoid shellfish, anchovies, sardines, herring, mussels, scallops, codfish, trout, tuna, and haddock. Shrimp, lobster, eel, and crab are safer seafood choice for a patient with gout. 4. Vegetables and fungi. Asparagus, cauliflower, spinach, and mushrooms are high in purines. Patients with gout should not consume large amount of these foods. However, patients tend to be able to excrete purines from vegetables better than they do from meat. So, consumption of these vegetables and fungi does not have to be as limited as meat intake. Avoid sugar. Fructose is a simple sugar found in honey, fruit, some vegetables, and sweeteners. Fructose increases purine metabolism, raising blood uric acid levels. Avoid sweeteners high in fructose such as honey, brown sugar, high fructose, corn syrup, golden syrup, and palm sugar. The consumption of too much sugar is associated with a number of health conditions such as obesity, heart diseases, and diabetes. Lose weight. Research suggests that reducing the number of calories and losing weight even without a purine restricted diet. Lower uric acid levels and reduce the number of gout attacks. Losing weight also lessens the overall stress on the joints. Crash diets where people are losing weights very rapidly are going to increase the risk of gout. Balance insulin. Type 2 diabetes happens when your body does not use insulin well and sugar stays in the blood instead of moving into the cells. This is called insulin resistance. Study shows this may play a role in the development of gout and hyperuricemia and may also make insulin resistance worse. Water intake. Increased water intake may help prevent the formation of uric acid crystals by diluting urinary uric acid concentration. Water will flush away uric acid microcrystals. Mineral water may also decrease urine pH. When your body is dehydrated, the amount of uric acid in your body rises and your kidney's ability to get rid of extra uric acid decreases. Stress. Stress may trigger a gout attack and it can exacerbate symptoms of gout attack. While it's impossible to completely eliminate all of your stress, there are a number of ways to help minimize it. If you are experiencing a gout attack, reducing your stress can also help you focus on things other than the pain.